Introducing the ultimate solution to every van life owner's biggest nightmare, the revolutionary Velcro window screen that guarantees a perfect seal. Traditional magnetic screens and tension rods consistently fail, falling down and leaving gaps where insects infiltrate. Our advanced self-adhesive Velcro screen eliminates these problems completely from budgetscreens.company. Featuring a precision-engineered 1.98 cm continuous strip that surrounds your entire window frame, this screen creates an impenetrable barrier that adheres securely to wood, aluminum, and PVC surfaces. The customizable design accommodates any window configuration, including challenging corner installations that standard screens cannot handle. Installation requires zero tools and completes in just 2 minutes through our simple peel and stick application. No staples, no drilling, no complications. The screen folds completely flat for convenient storage and cleaning. Extensive field testing over 3 months proves 100% effectiveness against mosquitoes while maintaining pristine appearance. Stop enduring sleepless nights battling insects. Order now and experience worry-free rest on every adventure at budgetscreens.company.